The second product on our list is the Orbit 57995. This is an indoor or outdoor intelligent sprinkler system that helps provide the right amount of water to your lawn, garden, or any other vegetation in your yard. It is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled sprinkler controller that provides smart functionality through multiple programs. This allows you to control when and how long your sprinkler runs. Also known as Orbit XR, it is designed to operate an in-ground irrigation system, and it boasts of a massive 16-zone capacity. Installing the Orbit XR is quite simple. It can be mounted either indoor or outdoor with no additional housing required. Beneath the XR is a row of connectors that supports up to 16 valves and includes room for a rain or freeze sensor. We like that the XR includes no external power brick, making it more outdoor friendly. Instead, the transformer is built into the main housing. Like most smart sprinkler systems, the valve leads connect simply through wire clips. Powering the XR up, you will quickly notice its most interesting feature, a panel of 3 tiny color LCD screens. The screens take the shape of a hexagonal design pattern on the housing. They give you some basic information about your system, including the current weather, time, and date of your next scheduled runtime. Sadly, the weather report does not include temperature, which would have been useful. After installing and powering the system, the next thing to do is to connect the B-hyve app, which is easy. From your smartphone, the app connects to the system through a 2.4 or 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi. It supports both manual and smart watering programs. Its smart watering functions based on the answers you provide about the size, condition, and composition of your lawn or garden, while the manual watering programs are up to 4 and are there for you to customize watering the way you like. Its pros are, its watering schedules can run individually or simultaneously, it supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and it includes onboard controls. However, historical and future weather information is presented poorly. The Orbit 57995 is suitable for anyone looking for an indoor or outdoor high-capacity smart sprinkler system. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.